For today's lesson, let us learn about Grade 7 Math, Quarter 2, Lesson 1, Square root of perfect square and cube root of perfect cube. Get a piece of paper, classify the following whether perfect square or perfect cube, and then you may also pose it and answer. Let's find out how many correct answers have you got. How to find for the area of a square. To find for the area of square, multiply side times side. So we denote it as A equals S times S, or A is equal to S square. So let's have here an example wherein the side given is 2. So if we will put that in a formula, it will be A equals 2 square. So 2 square now is equal to 2 times 2, wherein that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the area is 4. For this next example, we have here 3 sides as the given. And let us compute for the area. So area now is equal to 3 square. Wherein that 3 square is 3 times 3. Therefore, our area is equal to 9. Your turn! Find the area of the square with the following sides. Now, you may pause the video and answer. Now, check your answers. So, for number 1, we have an area equals 25. For number 2, the area is equal to 49. For number 3, the area is 16. For number 4, the area is 81. And for number 5, the area is 64. How to compute for the volume of a square? To find for the volume of the square, multiply side times side times side. So it is denoted as V is equal to S times S. Or that is V is equal to S cubed. So let's have this example. Our S here is 3. So our V now is equal to 3 cubed. So if you will compute that one, that is 3 times 3 times 3. Wherein 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So let's have another example. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the given is S equals 6. So our V now is equal to 6 cubed. So that is now 6 times 6 times 6. Wherein 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 times 6 is 216. Your turn! Find the volume with the given sides. So you may pause the video and answer. Now check your answers. So for number 1, we have the volume is 125. For number 2, the volume is 343. For number 3, volume is 64. For number 4, volume is 729. And for number 5, volume is 512. Now check your answers in your first activity. So these are the answers for the perfect square and perfect cube. Now what is a perfect square? A perfect square is the number of square units that can form a square. What is a perfect cube? So a perfect cube is the number of cube units that can form a cube. What is a square root? The square root of the area of the perfect square is the length of the side of the square. So we symbolize it like this. This is the radical sign. What is a cube root? The cube root of the volume of a perfect cube is the length of each side of the cube. So we symbolize it also like this. Remember that we have here an index which is 3. Now let's find for the square root of the following perfect square. So let's start. What is the square root of 16? So that is 4. What is the square root of 25? That is correct, 5. Square root of 49? That is 7. Square root of 64? That is 8. And square root of 81 is 9. Now let's find the cube root of the perfect cubes given. So what is now the cube root of 125? So that is 5. Cube root of 343? That is 7. Cube root of 512? That is 8. Cube root of 64? That is 4. And cube root of 729? That is 9. It's quiz time! Classify the following whether perfect square or perfect cube. So you may pause the video and answer. Check your answers. 0 is perfect square and perfect cube. 25 is perfect square. 1/4 is perfect square. 27 is perfect cube. 18 over 2 is equal to 9. So that is perfect square. 8 is perfect cube. 625 is perfect cube. 49 is perfect square. 121 is square. 40 is not perfect square nor perfect cube. I just hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.